Okay, here is video 3 for you. So we've got a triangle this time. Again, I've given you an area, 30-meter cubed, and my length of the triangle is 5 meters. Okay, what do you think we might do to find, let me just change the color, let's go orange. What do you think we might do to find this length here that I've highlighted using a question mark? Let's find out. So again, as always, let's write out the area of a triangle. Area equals base times height divided by 2. Perfect. So what have we got? We've got the area, which was 30. We haven't got the base. Let's go back. No, we do have the base. We do have the base. And that is 5. We don't quite have the height. So I'm going to leave that. Actually, let's put a question mark on that. I'm going to put, oh, strange. I'm going to put a question mark. And finally, I'm going to divide that by 2. Perfect. So what are the stages? Well, how do we work backwards so that we can find this question mark? So let's write that out using a different, okay, let's go blue. And let's break down this process. So it's 5 times a question mark divided by 2. Here's how I would do it. Now, we talked about doing it the inverse method. So you can see here, my method to get 30 is I'm going to take my 5, times it by 2, beg your pardon. I'm going to take my 5, times it by this question mark, and then divide it by 2. So question mark times by 5, and then divide, and then after that process, we then divide by 2, and we get 30. Okay, I'm just going to draw out this function box that you might have seen before. Okay, so we're going to work backwards. I'm going to pick, let's go pink. I've chosen pink for a while. So I'm going to go backwards. I'm going to start on 30, and the inverse, and I'm going to put in pink here, inverse of divide by 2 is times. So that means I'm going to get 60. So 30 times 2 is 60. Now, the inverse of divide by 5. What do you think the inverse of times by 5 might be? Yeah, it'll be divide by 5, which will give me 12. Okay, 12. So let's just plug that into the formula just to make sure. I'm going to put it back to, let's go to red. So 30 equals 5 times 12 divided by 2 equals 30. Let's check. Let's get rid of 30 for a second. So 5 times 2, which does give me 60. 60 divided by 2 gives me 30. Perfect. And that is how we would find the height of or the missing length of a triangle. Now, after this video, there will be some questions for you to complete for for finding the missing length of a rectangle, parallelogram, and triangle. Again, take your time to look back to these videos to help you, and take your time to break the question down carefully, especially when you come to finding the area of the missing side or length of a triangle, because 3 of the questions are worded. Okay?